Blueline, baby.
Come on, get your split on. Blueline Rock Grizzly.
Hey guys, this is David over at Blueline Rock Grizzly, and this is a beautiful 5-6 yard, 10-3, high performance, self-cleaning, multi-sizing, dynamic dampening, Blueline Rock Grizzly. Guys, this machine is built right for big loaders. It is a self-cleaning machine. That means that if you get any obstruction on the deck, all you got to do is use those bumper plates in the back, and it lifts up the top deck underneath out of its nest, and it allows you to continue operation without having to have anybody in danger banging out rocks or anything like that. No tractor attacks necessary. This beast of a machine will be able to clean itself. You tell me what other Grizzly does that? Nobody. Special thank you to Adam Traylor and Kellyanne over at Ledcor Leasing for the purchase of this machine and for the awesome relationship we have with you guys. We're very grateful. Once again, my name is David from Blueline Rock Grizzly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you for the next one. Peace.
We offer the high performance that you expect. And man, that's the result that you deserve. Man, that blue line. Let me tell you something. We shoot back! Blue line.